This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
It's standing on one leg, trapping a soccer ball and passing it back. That's not a human. That's a humanoid robot. And the caption says it clearly. No speed up. This is real-time speed. Meet Unitree's humanoid. Built to move fast, stay balanced, and learn what you show it. Watch this. The robot steps in with a yellow staff and spars with a human. Forward, backward, blocking strikes while walking. No safety harness, just balance and control. Next, robot versus robot. Red gloves versus black gloves. They bounce on their feet, throw punches, dodge, recover. If it can stay stable in a boxing match, it can stay stable almost anywhere. Now, the crazy part. A human starts doing big moves in front of the camera. Twists, kicks, martial arts poses. Behind him, the robot copies the whole body in real time. On-screen text. Learning full body movements from videos. You move, it learns. Fast. Then the scene changes. Same robot. Now it's in a normal home. It spots trash, picks it up, drops it in the bin, then moves the bin. There's a spill on the counter. It grabs a cloth and wipes in circles like a person who's actually cleaning. At the sink, it holds a plate in one hand and scrubs with a sponge in the other. 2 hands, 1 task. Real coordination. Next, it walks to the fridge, grabs the handle, and opens the door without yanking it. It picks up a cushion from the floor, puts it back on the sofa, and pats it down to make it neat. Then it grabs a cordless vacuum and just cleans the floor. Simple, but huge. One robot handling everyday tools. Laundry time. It pulls clothes from a pile, folds a shirt, folds a towel, drops them into a basket, and carries the basket away. Not perfect, but absolutely usable. And then, full service mode. It carries a tray with a glass of water to someone working at a desk. Later, it brings a basket of fruit the same way. Steady hands, no spills. So in one video, you see the same humanoid robot play soccer, fight, learn from video in real time, clean, fold, and serve. This is what general-purpose robots are starting to look like. One machine that fits into human spaces and learns human tasks. If you want to see where this goes next, hit subscribe to AIX. We follow the robots that are about to work right next to you.